safari animals. Let's learn them. This is a lion. Say it with me. Lion. This is a tiger. Say it with me. Tiger. This is a elephant. Say it with me. Elephant. Good job. This is a giraffe. Let's say it together. Giraffe. This is a zebra. Repeat after me. Zebra. Awesome. Do you know what this is? This is a monkey. Say it with me. Monkey. This is a panda. Repeat after me. Panda. You are amazing. This is a koala. Say it with me. Koala. This is a kangaroo. Repeat after me. Kangaroo. Do you know what this is? This is a deer. Say it. Deer. This is a bear. Say it with me. Bear. Good job. This is a fox. Repeat after me. Fox. This is a wolf. Say it. Wolf. This is a hippopotamus. Repeat after me. Hippopotamus. Awesome! This is a rhinoceros. Say it. Rhinoceros. Great job! Do you know what this is? This is a camel. Repeat after me. Camel. This is a crocodile. Say it with me. Crocodile. This is a cheetah. Repeat after me. Cheetah. This is a sloth. Repeat after me. Sloth. Good job. This is a hyena. Say it with me. Hyena. This is a bison. Repeat after me. Bison. This is a leopard. Say it with me. Leopard. You did great today. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.